Oh God, I'm like so nervous. Like my whole future depends on this. Oh my God, I feel so lightheaded. The pressure is just like too much. I can't take it. Why is it so cold in here? Oh gosh, where am I? Oh my God, I don't think I'm in front of building 19 anymore. What should I do?
Follow the yellow plate-out! Follow the yellow plate-out! The wizard can get you help, but watch out for the wicked witch with the task!
Oh my God, who is that?
She's a bit of a witch that thinks this hand. A wizard, not us!
Oh my God, then I have to like go find a wizard. I am like so lost right now. Jeez, I'm so confused even though the trail is like right in front of me. Like, if only someone could just point me in the right direction. Should I go to the right?
Yay yay!
Or should I go to the left?
Yay yay!
Well, which way is it? I'm like so confused right now. I don't know which way to go and I have to like get to the wizard.
To the wizard? Nah, you can stay in cause. I don't even know where you be going. You got me all contemplating these complicated directions. Nah, you can stay.
But I need to get to building 19 so that I can take the CBT and get into CA. So could you please help me to get to the wizard?
Girl, why you ain't say so? I'm from out of the hay program, and I need to get me some education. I'ma go with you to the whiz, yo.
That's like such a totally good idea. Oh my God.
Let's go.
I'm Glinda, the good witch. What are you doing here, sweetie?
Oh man, it's my home skillet, Big G. What do you do?
Well, we were like trying to get to the magical, mystical, awesome, powerful Wizard of Cause, but we totally got lost.
Well, all you have to do is follow the yellow Play-Doh, and what you seek lies inside you. Got that up on fortune cookie.
Oh my God, that's right. I totally forgot. So, thanks. I guess I'll just be on our way now.
What the hell was that? Baby, Mom's laughing. It follows me around, okay? Do you know how hard it is to be feared? Never mind. Where was I? Yes. I'll get you, my... You're too late. My work here is done. I'm clocking out. Not again! I'm body cold tech support. Thought this was fixed last week. So embarrassing. Now, how am I supposed to be evil if my effects don't work? Megatron doesn't have this problem. Yeah, Betty doesn't. Betty doesn't!
Well, that was scary. Now let's go see the wizard. Oh no, we're lost again. Oh my God.
Don't look at me, girl. I don't know nothing. Losers.
Who's that? There she is!
Wow, you guys are retarded. Just follow the yellow Play-Doh, morons.
Ah, hell no. I know you ain't talking to me. Girl, I will cut you.
That hurt my feelings. You're not a very nice person. No wonder you're standing here all alone. You're a jerk. No one wants to be around a jerk.
Can't you idiots just leave me alone?
But we need your help. I need to get home so I can take the CPT.
If it'll get you scumbags to leave me alone, sure, I'll lead the way.
Charlie, we're going to Candy Mountain. Come with us.
Oh, you best be getting all about this place. So sorry. Darn these seasonal sinuses. I've all these congestion issues. And my nose gets stuffy and it starts to hurt and I just can't even focus.
Touch me and die, you freak.
Shoot, girl, you in some bad shape. You got some toilet paper hanging out your backside.
Again? Really? Oh my God, you poor thing. What are you doing here anyways?
Well, you see, I'm afraid of failing all of my classes. I want to be insanely successful with all my severely stressful classes. Girl, you afraid of failing? I just want to pass one class. Come on, let's go see the wizard.
Hey, do you have a minute to help save Florida's beaches?
I got swine.
We made it, guys! There it is!
Oh, sorry we didn't call first. The phone wasn't working.
Well, what do you need? Others need my help too.
Well, see, this girl right here, she's our friend Dorothy, and she needs to get back to building 19 so she can take that CPT test, you know? And we don't know how to do that.
Sorry, I can't help you. Too bad for you, but good luck with that.
Oh, but please, like, I came all this way to see you, and I have to get home soon.
Heh, sucks for you. Sorry, my office hours are over. Walk out.
Oh no, guys, I have like no other way of getting home. What am I gonna do?
Shut up! Shut up! Where's your binky? Where's your binky? Where's your mom? Like, what the? They'll never go home. They'll be here forever. Ever. God, get off! Get off! Get off! I'm melting right now! Melting! From a duck bite.
Oh, Glinda, this trip has made me realize that I really am intelligent and that I can pass the CPT.
I too have been enlightened by your words of wisdom.
Look at all the friends I've made. I'm so loved.
Well, that's wonderful. Now all we have to do to get back to building 19 is skip backwards and say that there's no place like CA.
I can do that. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, my friends. I will miss you. There's no place like CA. There's no place like CA. There's no place like CA. There's no place like. Oh!
You're a jerk.
I'm back in building 19. Now I'm ready to take the CPT. Oh, I'm so pumped and ready. I can't wait. I passed! Congratulations! I'm Carrie Coward. Hi.
I'm Tim. We're Biffle now.
What up? I'm Bonriri. Welcome to CA where you can get your AA, but don't get crazy.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street light people. Don't stop believing.
What the? Now you'll never go home. You'll be here forever. Ever. Ever. Really? What the? No, shut down! Did I mess up the line? You're happy! I'm like, what the? Oh my god! Shit! You got kidnapped! And then you're like, oh, you're not. Dude, where? I know you're just like looking out. Follow the yellow Play-Doh! Follow the yellow Play-Doh! The wizard can get you home, but watch out for the wicked witch of the test.
Oh, jeez. Wait, should I go? It's like
Switching it? Are we We're switching it, just switch it!
I passed.
Congratulations! I'm Nylander.
Now. Wow.
I put the thing in my hand.
Oh.
What are you doing here anyways?
Well, you see, I'm afraid of failing my classes. I want to be insanely successful, really successful.
Darn these seasonal sinuses. With all these congestion issues. Seriously?
Action.
I have all these seasonal sinuses. All these congestion issues. I'm sorry. These family